as what you are in kya emotional over nothing happens ko no the kind of question but yes, as a part of our education, as a part of our training, we are going to talk all these things, okay? The social evils and the masagi corruption gumba ko. So instead of being emotional about it, I intend to write articles, okay? I hope the newspaper will have enough courage to print them, print those off, okay? I am working on an article regarding corruption, okay? So we have a very big misconception and misunderstanding of the term corruption, okay? It is so complex and so vast that we don't India ki official ba bakadore. Oh, hi. I class over. I told you not. So like we have a very misconception and misunderstanding regarding corruption, okay? So it is our duty to teach the people, okay, that taking bribe is not the only form of corruption, okay? It is just a very minor form of corruption, okay? So they don't even take the money themselves, okay? So there are so many layers of process maps in so the corruption is we can go from it from 2 point of views, okay? Like apparent misuse of my authority so it can be anything, so phone toraga there is no money exchange of money, there is no bribery, there is no but that will term as a misuse of power and a corruption, okay? And another thing is that unaccountability and the transparency of the system, right? The governance there is that. So nothing has been unaccountable. We need to point it out certain facts to the people that UPSC alanba pakha chap chana hanji wai do kaino haidi alanba thobak tore hamni, but who are accountable hujibo kananta puthopang amne. And likewise there may be there are so many things which are landi lale khangaga akoina unaccountable oidabo. So people are happy that masagi exam do cancel togre na tray thokre habdo, but they never try to cut off the head of the snake, okay? So unaccountable oidabsi ko adu transparency oidabsi kai khangi ha matamsida akoina masagi akoina toriba projects natraga akoina government pakhaliba projects ma'am akoina sungang khangdaba oi. We are completely unaware about it. So right to information right to information demand to one funny ko if you want to go for anti-corruption measures ko aduga akoina paisa chai cha de na akoina Facebook ta Instagram da tor akoisi penthokpa oine si kanano si Johnson nang achapor hapase da distract oi distracting oi. Thank you. So ge chawa de ko da sung dikha I think I have OCD or something like that, okay? So dana ngasai moina akoina adi Facebook ki medium da natraga Instagram da Twitter da natraga SMS da status da thagatlaga haidi pena thagatlaga sida horaga pelaga loithokhreba, but those things will not translate into the ground the ground reality, and it's not going to do anything. But phadi pai ngai matam jida corruption ni ma ho matam da these people who are already engaging in the social medias, they are going to come forward, okay? So the youths, we have so much power apart from the student union or something like that. We also have so much power, okay? Voice voice we have so much power to change uh, to change these things, okay? So this one is fine. Chen nang hinata ji ta kang kana wai ko. Okay. One minute. Yeah, this one is fine. Okay, so let's start the class. Okay, so no half measures, no pentoga, chaitoga, no misida horoga. It's not going to solve anything. I came to know that. Okay, but we need to take concrete kind of actions. I think this is it for us, for our generation. Not enjoying a clean, transparent government or something like that, but to clean up all the dirty things so that we can live a better, transparent administration for the people. So this we have to do. Okay, so this is our job, this is our task, and we are up for it, right? Where's the pen? Okay. Hꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯉ ꯇꯥꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ good force ka bad force ka kanana ngamgena ka and choose your side, you guys. Where do you want to join? Ana daing nakta satro ina laktabsi ngsaigi akhona corrupt oirage khallawa corrupt taw ma'am se ai nakta lakte kamra because class adum hatpani now dadi kamra they ran away, you know, and they will not come also, and I don't need them also, and it doesn't matter. So now the message here corruption it's okay, you express. Why do you need to kind of cut it? You know, you guys are civil service experience, so then corruption anything, if it is right or if it is wrong, doesn't matter. Do express. You have the complete freedom to express, you know. So current affairs it is going to be a part of structure and most of it current affairs. But before doing that, ngarangi finance structure do you guys do it? Current affairs, it is very simple. So environment current affairs environment current affairs essay da mains da prelims da, especially prelims da. So prelims da questions economy, social issues, governance, and environment. These are the topics which they argue more questions comes, right, for the prelims current affairs ki hierarchy. Atopa defense kumba, ICBM kumba, say Agni 5 kumba sometimes hangi ka. And aduga akhona kanna hanglaiba akhona kanna machintung khalaiba kangbu maps na ka, like science and tech, especially agriculture, agriculture basics, agriculture science and tech sigumba akhona yam akhoi agriculture gi afoba kainom lay akhoi group ta jaw ko maji akhoi keno de yawarmane ko akhoi MPSC thage na maji hawrambane ko maji angang ju leire huji agriculture officer oina leibane maji ko aduga yam nokningba na ai imana ba yam sensitive close bi imana ngi wife oi lem doine ba khamra ai mai long du chatle ba ko na khangna kene ba han di chung khangdo hanadi yawre adi kan hone mase history ke ka pakhatna ba adi asumna kan da magi job ki demanding oi kana mase tokre adu dana sum ma wari sanabda ai imana wi su wife oiramnina adum sanare ba hoi group te yawarni ana group te lokthora nang haiba da dum happy yo group sin wai khotle hadi cover number pawa and discussion ke kan wai khotle na dum happy ne hojik se mado maji agree gi GRF ne GRF si ahan ba thabda khanba like han yam hayak paja ne maji ko ade mana mai thabak ji phangdri ngai da da magi AAA na coaching am le mamale GRF agree gi to gi ko student tranga mu le ka student kun manga kun try your aba student ma'am ji net ya ka ji clear tor pa GRF pudi to di hai net clear ke ka ji clear tor pa na masu oja oi si hamna pame ado ka satra so an to jam pame hadi mari makong singba GRF khan ba ji mari makong singbo oi ga le ko. So I don't know hadi ma hoji adum chatpa khotpa gi status adum ui da adum mar ma to wai sane hadi message thane. So aina khali si agree gi basics khara ka general oina khangda ba jiga ngasai gi agree gi current affairs science and tech related oiba siga hadi class ka tahanjira na khali ni dana ko hadi tor. So that is adu pa agree ji aina ju tapanga me ko but yam research to ma chang mai tai, but that is not that difficult. So let me approach her. Okay, she's really good with the students also. Hadi yamna wada vida hadi Friday Saturday or shooting nimita hadi class amam holaga ko class tara mu main to holaga ko I think I want to see that one. Okay, so these are the things which when a prelims current affairs that when a hang so the environment is important we expect so na environment environment current affairs kan hai target high it's a recap environment basics kang tam so biodiversity basics kang dana biosphere reserves basic kang national park or ngasai ecosystem energy transfer to abiotic component adagiti ngasai flora fauna adu man khangdana environment pa ngamoi ko that's why we do environmental basics ko yam banate environmental basics yam simple loiba ngasai chapters khara da yam line na general gi natraga educated oiba knowledgeable oiba mi amna khangba yaba pot ne ko so sim lege ko adagi dan hai ko environmental movement si thain dia ho panate ko World War II matung dagi di definitely structure ama lege ko world environmental movement chale PTV मैम उन्नदना खोनदना अदि वर्ल्ड यूनाइटेड नेशंस ना लीड तौरगा हाइदि अदुगा पर्सन्स इंटेलेक्चुअल साइंटिस्ट अदि NGOs CSOs मैम थोड़ा कांदको एंड इंडिया गिसु अदि मतम दुदि चारना होवी स्पेशली इंदिरा गांधी दे को ना हुजिबोक चटली को ना world gi di hujik phajana chatli even though nothing much can be achieved that much but world gi oina di hujik phajana chatli India gi oina di asagi development di pressure am lak panina development ga environment ga chana basi kyang ngam da boy ko so we have to give focus on the development ko aduga heng wai noina da chang tar ga su civil servants the chang tar ga su the one of the greatest issues and problems you are going to face is this conflict between development and environment you are going to take decisions which are going to hurt the environment so duna nang karamba rational da natraga karamba ngasagi maram da loge aduga what can you do ngasagi nang environment so ito kay to yage haidu yeng ta ko so I am for one who loves environment but for the sake of development I will but development dagi di hen matak thamoy ko quite the best way the development environment ka chana na basin ko like sustainable development ga adu to pa but sometimes it is not possible as the world have as the many experience has shown but ani du magta khan do targeti I think you go for the development okay and then you try to like ngasagi environment ta magi sop mem du gi ngasagi magi best way plan B kai to ya ge du yeng bi ko kaino dan development hai je hai matam se khamra yes khudak the environment to the so on bi but poverty and inequality and ngasagi the rising the case of population or something like that okay it's going to hurt the environment more in the long run so duna ngasagi sigi angle je ma yeng ga ne ko so na noi ha civil service or kanda thengna ka do issues khara di kaina ha matam da ethical dilemma ka values ni ma ta karam khandoino ai objective oigadra haidi rules in gadra natraga ai empathetic oigadra natraga compassionate oigadra haidi nupi hanubi do mating phangadra ka these are the things and conflict of interest ka conflict of interest hai targadi nang na authority di laiba aduwa nangi business natraga nangi khangna chana gi business yobo ka so koi gi manipur go me dana ido article adu me adu no yawni ka haidi si Canada conflict of interest natraga koi gi Canada conflict of interest ki concept ma ikang kang da bai ta to we sing bai ta de koi manipur so contractor piba adu piba ada piba I even got message from a Canada brother that like national games da manipur na yam phasana to ngam dri do asengba player tha de mo ta khangna jana go na tha wi film de lesel le ko adu ju kemte na te national level le yogi ta gadi it seems that they do get government jobs or something like that which I do not know so the minor ko so corruption si yamna chauna diff oina tore to the point that I corruption to we have the kaina jersey se kamba so there is sigi society je koina sigi po je koina kanda ta gadi asai koina maitai muthi dore sum nakan de chang pana ha to kamba adagi bu hena dangerous way adudi moina kisu to ngam moi koida we are the dominant here and this is our home we are going to defend it no matter what so na kisu to ngam moi but corruption jidi we are doing it on ourselves it's like a cancer eating away slowly the fabric of our society okay so see so duna yam tina simple loy so tori report ma'am ko so duna koina environment ti tam da koina basics tamgre ade koina dana video thagre noi da ko hari environment journey da ko main to gena silent spring adu da gi journey da ko and adu ga nasai gi koina important of x laws ma'am gi UNFCCC ade gi Paris agreement mobilization re ko sta ko india gi so sai wildlife act ka hore ade di air act water act environment act biodiversity act NGT ade di 2014 mo le 2014 da gi di kitang khak koina kitang khak with a very pinch of salt but environmental ministries, it seems like it is not there for protection of environment but to give clearance for environmental projects ko yam thin thin line clearance pitak ta to ngasi wo da in environment ministry ga finance ministry na tra to ministry ga haidi environment ki certification people that has a but whereas before that UPA government you will always find the bickering between this environment ministry and other ministries just for development versus environment and in most of the time Prime Minister Manmohan Singh had to intervene so that is the distinct features which I get to see Canada UPA India government so environment ministry should not be just a rubber stamp to give approval for environmental projects developmental projects harming environment but it should be thorough. There should be so many so much of the development but sustainable development and environmental compensation fund and moina kyam tori no as hana digi kanna leisure aba national park ki boundary ke ka semiba board national wildlife board National Board of Wildlife something yamna powerful environment board but national park boundary ke ka semi mayam sibo dilute tong no honare ko wetland gi safeguards dilute tong no honare coastal regulation zone gi safeguard dilute tong no honare ko mayam thingi mayam yate but still moina majority phangmani they still got their way so duna environment which yam tina handabo but aduga side amada akoina hana Manmohan Singh gi da udaba aduga 2014 yes, environmental regulations it's all watered down, it's all toned down due by amendments but alternative energy which gives environmental indirectly and directly for like solar energy, wind energy environmental friendly energy source government so many solar parks have been set up, so many solar projects have been set up so renewable energy percentage so these are the things which we have to learn. Okay, so similar the dana structure ani structure ani world environmental crisis they are very limited. Okay, so land the so do brainstorm. Okay, this is the structure for you. Water the so water the so this these are the things which you have to know. So na CJ yam anobu yes khangdaba amani noin yawbi ai but akoina khangaba akoina brainstorm to matamda noi thola da matane ko hadi sida tori kolna se land na biodiversity loss sea to biodiversity loss acidification, expansion of water, land na desertification si ma'am si koina yengo ka adu nga koina si ani discuss tor nga important eba mu karme kogi laibo po chi kaino land water dang na te lai ka there is this air, okay, which is termed atmosphere. So see the zoo magi environmental setup especially on the troposphere level the lower level of atmosphere is the air is the environmental issues hana lejeramba normal da human intervention na environmental issues ko kari no so ngasi current affairs to ngasi current affairs to September October ko anything kind of environment news ke yawge to aduga so many are there environmental news update away so sida ko lokat atmosphere ya ko lokat atmosphere hayeng na land tawni ado hangchit na water tawni ko so dadi kan right current affairs ta khadi yam adum taking lay way ko adum ne haije ko waju adu ne ko pa du ne ko ne ko but adum taking lay ko current affairs is kind of an addiction for me. Okay, probably because I have read it for so many years. Everything everywhere cover pava newspaper pava pekhagi pava probably that is why so yeah CG addiction delay da current affairs addiction ko ana ta khadi da adum ta ni ko current affairs so anyway CG ne ko so koina environment pollution current affairs kai thope environment ki matang da hai ta atmosphere, land and water. So we are going to do the atmosphere. So anyway, ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯅꯣꯏꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯂꯒꯦ ꯑꯣ ꯕꯥꯏ ꯗ ꯋꯦ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯁꯤ ꯇꯧꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯉꯩꯗ ꯗꯥꯅ ꯉꯔꯥꯡ ꯍꯪꯅꯤꯡꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯔꯥꯡ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁꯇꯨ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯍꯨꯝꯁꯦ ꯇꯧꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯂꯦꯟ ꯋꯥꯇꯔ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯏꯌꯔꯁꯤ ꯇꯧꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯁꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯇꯧꯅꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯏꯟꯁꯇꯤꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯁꯟ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯑꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯀꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯏꯟꯁꯇꯤꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯁꯟ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯕ꯭ꯂꯥ ꯕ꯭ꯂꯥ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯀꯟꯐ꯭ꯔꯦꯟꯁ ꯀꯩꯀꯥ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯑꯦꯛꯁ ꯀꯩꯀꯥ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯁꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯇꯧꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯐꯤꯅꯥꯟꯁ ꯆꯪꯉꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯐꯤꯅꯥꯟꯁ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯇꯦꯛꯅꯣꯂꯣꯖꯤ ꯆꯪꯉꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ R&D ꯇꯦꯛꯅꯣꯂꯣꯖꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯐꯤꯅꯥꯟꯁꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯗ ꯗꯥꯅ ꯒ꯭ꯂꯣꯕꯦꯜꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯟꯐ꯭ꯔꯦꯟꯁ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯐꯤꯅꯥꯟꯁ ꯇꯧꯅꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯒ꯭ꯂꯣꯕꯦꯜ ꯏꯟꯚꯥꯏꯔꯣꯟꯃꯦꯟꯇꯦꯜ ꯐꯦꯁꯤꯂꯤꯇꯤꯁ ꯂꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯤꯟ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯏꯃꯦꯠ ꯐꯟ ꯂꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯦꯗꯥꯞꯇꯦꯁꯟ ꯐꯟ ꯂꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯐꯟ ꯈꯔ ꯂꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯅꯠꯇꯕꯤꯗ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯤ ꯑꯍꯨꯝꯁꯤ ꯅꯠꯇꯕꯤꯗ ꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯣꯔꯒꯅꯥꯏꯖꯦꯁꯟꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯛꯆꯔꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯅꯠꯇꯕꯤꯗ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ $100 billion per year ꯀꯣ from developed countries to developing countries ꯄꯤꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯀꯣ ꯁꯤꯒꯤꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯔꯥꯡ ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯀꯟꯁꯦꯞꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯏꯟꯚꯥꯏꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠꯀꯤ ꯏꯁꯨꯁꯦ ꯇꯦꯀꯜ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯄꯩꯁꯥ ꯊꯥꯗꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯔꯤꯁꯔꯁ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ there are two ways we are going to tackle ꯑꯃꯅ mitigation ꯀꯣ environmentalꯗ degradation ꯇꯧꯍꯜꯂꯤꯕ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤ ꯐꯠꯇꯕ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯣ ꯍꯟꯊꯍꯟꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕ ꯑꯃꯅ adaptation already environment has changed ꯀꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ climate ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯦꯔꯥ biodiversity ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯦꯔꯥ so ꯁꯤꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍ꯭ꯌꯨꯃꯦꯟꯅ ꯂꯩꯕꯗ ꯍ꯭ꯌꯨꯃꯦꯟ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯂꯩꯕꯗ ꯍ꯭ꯌꯨꯃꯦꯟ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯍꯦꯜꯠꯅꯤ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ ꯂꯥꯏꯚꯂꯤꯍꯨꯠꯅꯤ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯝꯄꯦꯛ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯄ ꯄꯣꯠꯇꯣꯀꯣ ꯁꯣ ꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯦꯗꯥꯞ ꯇꯧꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯈ꯭ꯔꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯁꯣ ꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯁꯣ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯗꯥꯅ ꯍꯪꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤꯁꯦ ꯈꯪꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯉꯔꯥꯡ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯅꯣꯏꯗ ꯗꯥ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯤꯔꯛꯑꯣ ꯑꯩ ꯀꯣꯜ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯀꯦ SP ꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯦꯇꯔ ꯏꯕꯗ ꯇꯥꯇꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯏ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯏꯝꯄꯣꯔꯇꯦꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯀꯣ ꯗꯥ ꯑꯝꯇ ꯀꯣꯜ ꯇꯧꯒꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯩ ꯃꯃꯥꯗꯨ ꯅꯥꯔ ꯃꯥꯜꯂꯦ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇꯦ ꯀꯦꯟꯁꯔ ꯅꯥꯔ ꯃꯥꯜꯂꯦ I'm going to mute, okay? So please wait a while. ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇꯦ ꯍꯥ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯒꯤ ꯃꯣꯝꯒꯤ ꯀꯦꯟꯁꯔ ꯃꯃꯥ ꯀꯦꯟꯁꯔ ꯅꯥꯔ ꯃꯥꯜꯂꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯨꯝꯕꯥꯏ ꯄꯨꯂꯤꯁꯇ ꯆꯠꯅꯤꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯨꯝꯕꯩꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯗ ꯇꯥꯇꯥ ꯍꯣꯁꯄꯤꯇꯥꯜꯗ ꯆꯠꯅꯤꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯗꯇꯥ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯂꯧꯕꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯏꯞ ꯗꯥꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯝꯁꯦ ꯈꯪꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯑꯇꯩ ꯀꯩꯝ ꯈꯟꯗꯦꯗ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯁꯦ ꯏꯟ ꯀꯦꯁ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯄꯩꯁꯥ ꯄꯥꯏꯔꯛꯑꯗꯤꯕꯀꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯀꯣꯔꯄꯣꯔꯦꯠꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯥ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯂꯨꯄꯥ ꯂꯤꯁꯤꯡ ꯌꯥꯡꯈꯩ ꯇꯣꯂꯣꯞ ꯆꯥꯗꯧ ꯅꯠꯇꯕꯅꯤꯅꯕꯀꯣ ꯏꯠ ꯀꯦꯟ ꯕꯤ ꯑꯦꯅꯤꯊꯤꯡ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯀꯦꯄꯥꯁꯤꯇꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯇꯦꯟꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯦꯕꯀꯣ if I work hard if I ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯗ if I work hard if I invest right and if I ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯗ keep producing services ko if it can be anything coaching ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯦꯔꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯦꯔꯥ ko then earning like ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯗ it's open its potential is like limitless okay ꯊꯥ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯒꯤ ꯇꯣꯂꯣꯞ ꯂꯨꯄꯥ ꯂꯤꯁꯤꯡ ꯂꯥꯈ ꯑꯃ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯆꯥꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯂꯩꯇꯦꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯕꯤꯖꯤꯅꯦꯁꯀꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯗꯗꯤꯀꯣ ꯔꯤꯛꯁ ꯌꯥꯎꯏ it can be all or nothing but it is there so ꯆꯥꯟꯁ ꯌꯥꯗꯅꯀꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅꯒ ꯇꯧꯈꯤ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯩ ꯐꯥꯔꯁ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯌꯣꯔꯤꯇꯤꯁꯤ ꯅꯝꯕꯔ ꯋꯥꯟꯗ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯃꯨꯝꯕꯩꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯇꯥ ꯍꯣꯁꯄꯤꯇꯥꯜꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯗꯩꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯁꯥꯕꯁꯤꯀꯣ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯒꯦꯁ ꯍꯥꯎꯁ ꯑꯃ ꯁꯥꯕꯁꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯝꯅꯦ ꯁꯤ ꯂꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯔꯅꯤ so it must be something around crore ꯌꯥꯡꯈꯩꯃꯨꯛ ꯂꯧꯔꯦꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯣꯀꯣ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯁꯥꯔꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯩ ꯀꯥ ꯅꯨꯡ ꯈꯔ ꯍꯥꯞꯄꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯁꯤꯡꯒꯜ ꯔꯨꯝ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯗꯣꯝ ꯃꯤ ꯌꯥꯡꯈꯩꯃꯨꯛ tumba ꯌꯥꯕ ꯁꯥꯡꯅ ꯍꯥꯞꯄꯅꯤ ꯐꯦꯁꯤꯂꯤꯇꯤꯁ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯍꯥꯞꯄꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯕꯦꯗꯔꯨꯝ ꯑꯗꯩ ꯄꯔꯗꯥ ꯅꯨꯡꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯑꯗꯩ ꯊꯝꯐꯝ ꯆꯥꯛ ꯊꯣꯡꯐꯝ ꯀꯩꯀꯥꯁꯤꯀꯣ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯤꯟ ꯇꯧꯍꯟꯅꯕ ꯃꯤ ꯊꯝꯃꯅꯤꯀꯣ so even I am thinking of like requesting it to honorable CM or something like that like ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯇꯧ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯔꯥꯏꯐꯜꯁꯀꯤ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯄꯨꯂꯤꯁꯀꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯗ ꯃꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯄꯥꯅꯍꯜꯂꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯣꯀꯣ and I think it will be okay ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯄꯨꯂꯤꯁꯀꯤ ꯃꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯄꯥꯅꯕꯗꯣꯀꯣ like ꯃꯨꯝꯕꯩ ꯄꯨꯂꯤꯁꯇ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯁꯤꯀꯣ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅꯀꯣ I know it will be but ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯅꯔꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯏ but I want it to be like ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠꯀꯤ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯑꯣꯏꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯕꯗꯣ so that ꯃꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯆꯪꯕꯗ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯅꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅꯀꯣ so ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯆꯪꯒꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ I don't think it will not be that much okay so ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ emergency ꯀꯩꯀꯥ ꯊꯝꯃꯅꯤ ꯗꯣꯛꯇꯔ ꯑꯃ ꯅꯔꯁ ꯈꯔꯒ ꯊꯝꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯔꯦꯁꯤꯗꯦꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯩ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯠꯅꯕ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯟꯁꯄꯣꯔꯠ ꯑꯦꯝꯕꯨꯂꯦꯟꯁ ꯀꯩꯀꯥ ꯊꯝꯃꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯛꯅ ꯁꯥꯅꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯗ ꯄꯔꯦꯜꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯋꯥꯏꯗꯀꯣ so at least this ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯗ ꯀꯦꯟꯁꯔ ꯅꯥꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤ they are fighting so much than the cancer okay they are fighting the fears you know hadi every second they know that the cancer cells are eating their body and cancer hoji bow the treatment ji phasana leiti hai tare ko so duna hadi so at least we should give them hope you know hadi yamna wa adudi cancer na bai treatment toringa ta cha na thaknaba leinaba gi wa ba je khamba sem wa ba khamba so adu I don't know if it is going to happen or not but that is my dream yeah so that adu tawgena khale dadi ko achou lam am lerega faja building am saraga ngasai cancer patient gi manipur guest house na luna nana mizoram guest house kan la leye ko hadi yam luna nan da hai tare ko kwa mai nga ta ga ngai ko kanam ta lening da ma le ko but nonetheless something is better than nothing right but yam luna nan ba hadi capacity kanamo like 50 to 70 75 muk chan ga ba kanoda phana ma simbi ba cha inyang thongmam khotpham phana lun nana nongmada ani ahumlak sengba khotpa tethokpa waste management phana leiba adai administration phana leiba khotpa adu mayam da adai every manipuri la ko mi mayam si akhona turn out tawdaba hai tare adjust adum tawngam hai tare so capacity wari ne ba so adune so na that is the dream and let's see if it comes true and we have up to like 60 70 years to make it come true so that I'm going to pursue so that is one thing okay and tata qualities dia ko na side por asu tata yo ngam moy doctor man I am so impressed with with tata ai pesa thada do ni ai pesa donation to do ni so do ba cancer na have je ko I am no idea hadi mai mateng ni pam ni dana ado ngam de hoji situation ni ko so let's hope for the best okay so na noi de khan do le ga noi khalo matang di admission lak na ba adai di pisa ka tau na du ngam na ba ko noi khan do le ko ana noi ji kam chau stake ni ne le je so anyway no ai te hoji kana no ba koi satrane ma je masi mama tu cancer na ba ho ne ba adi MPSC je masi ming koi mains yaw ba MPSC mains yaw ba kang bu ne mi tranga taw du ma yaw ni ba aduga ming chala me na ko first day nimisi dagi last day class lo du class amta yaw gi de exam amta tha gi da gyan da na ka kai na da mamai ke mo ka pai de da kana lei masi ko amta yaw gi de class ena da ai pesa han do ke na hai ne ko adu ma no ai tre ma da ai ko na ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯑꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯣ ꯇꯥꯈꯠꯇꯣꯏꯅꯦꯅ. So probably I think probably I will send some money, something like that. My handakti chatra male operation tawdo probably I will contribute some money. Keno na nam gi my class amta yawgidram ne ba class yawdo di da paisa ai lawde ba adi paisa adum handokal le ba class yawdana tokiba ma'am oi taragadi ko. So I think I will return some money for for that guy. Right, hope everything is all right. Okay, so sini khoi tawgri ha mitigation adaptation ko ado sini nga khoi tawgri do ado dana mathanggi ngasi kain face tawjingai da dan tawning je noi par wa ba si GF GCF se par wa hadi ngang tawgibuduna di question komba yare ngang tawgibudi noi wari khangbo ad hadi mi amna swana hangone ko environment ki crisis se ma'am di am jawe do kana finance tawino kamaina paisa thadai no si ma'am je hai taragadi noi na haiba sara ko hai hei tabi de ko science lay GF fanam lay ni green climate fanam lay adaptation fanam lay ko amai no chu ka hai ma chatoi ado prelims hang padi adu hang oi ba ko siri nang na general big picture do khang bai wan ne ba ko prelims hang padi GF se kaino CF se kaino na ko so na ai nga sa yang khat le ba ko kaino da CG aina prelims thai ngai da hang yu question ka ne ba ko ne buk la lam ba gyan tai na ko ne buk la lam doi ne ba ko so it was very funny kaino hai matan da adu matan da lai pa je hai tri ba ko kai kamai to do no khang je ana padi pa gre khang ne ba ko aduga structure yaudam ni na ngasai gi random oina pa ni na kanai di hang ino ai kaw yu khoti ba oi ba ko. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to write two questions, okay? Si matang da ngang kana kana pa ba kana kana ngang kana kana pa ge pa da ge do sida khangani pa. So we are going to write two questions on this one, okay? Hojti hai is sinawse technology sinawse hai ka. Yeah. So answer kumo ko. Don't Google, okay? Just answer it on your own, right? Why can't I copy paste by you and copy paste over handles? Copy paste over yadre. How can I do it? Copy paste over yandre. Yam tin sing by mong da. I thought there is a good only. I'm at Tanzania UPSC. I know the PDF to on Tony. Got only paste copy paste over yadramina. PDF to on Tony. I use the download Tony PDF na. The PDF DD, I think I should be able to copy paste, right? So yes, the PDF the layer files targeti voila. I know more the hive engineer the how we know how to make things happen, you know. That's why we are called engineers, you know. I know more the hive so the targeti is it PDF the yeah, everything is going to work, right? Okay. So this one is option A. This one is option A. That serves as a financial mechanism on the biodiversity. Next is option B. And this one is option B. Okay. Like part of the article, Heidi class or like part of the diamond white. No failure for the diamond white. Heidi. But yeah, it does not mean that I will give up. I usually do not give up. And this is one of my strong point. This is something which I'm very thankful to God. I do not give up that easily on anything. Okay, so probably because I'm a Capricorn or something like that. I don't know. God over there. So how many did you give up to them? Listen, so probably because of that maybe. Anyways, it's not D. And don't give up. Okay, there is beauty in not giving up. and I like that about myself, you know, apart from other things. So what is the answer for this one? With reference to C question hunger is that C question C UPSC key. I know this was asked in my times, so and I think I got it so wrong, you know. It was very funny. Yeah, this question was asked in UPSC Prelims key. 2014 Dharma. 2014 Dharma. So what is the answer for this one? Key. With reference to the Gold Belt environment facilities, which of the following statements is or are correct? It serves as financial mechanism for Convention of Biological Diversity and UN Framework Convention on Climate Change. Very fine. It undertakes scientific? No, there is no mention of scientific research. It is an agency or under OECD? No, OECD has nothing to do with it. Both A and B? No, because 2 is wrong. So no, I think this one is A. Okay, good, good. Those who have done it. Yeah, let's see the next question, which is already asked question. So the CC na copy paste over nina, I have to convert it into PDF. Okay, PDF. YouTube download they can contact me. Okay, you can easily download YouTube videos. Okay, you have to integrate in your browser one add-on, and when you click on the YouTube, it's going to come, okay, automatically, and you can select which quality you want to do the download. Okay, so my account. Okay, which of the following regarding Green Climate Fund is or are correct? Okay, I think this one is number 1. 혹시 혹시 ꯌꯥꯝ ꯇꯧꯅꯔꯤ ꯃꯥꯜꯂꯦꯀꯣ, ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯅꯤꯉꯣꯜ ꯆꯥꯛꯀꯧꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯔ ꯃꯥꯜꯂꯦꯀꯣ. ꯉꯔꯥꯡꯗꯤ 6Gꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯛꯇꯤꯚꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯍꯧꯋꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇꯦꯔꯥꯗ, ꯂꯣꯏꯈ꯭ꯔ ꯃꯥꯜꯂꯦ, ꯃꯤ ꯐꯥꯎꯔꯝꯃꯅꯤ. So ꯑꯩꯁꯨ ꯑꯪꯀ ꯑꯃ ꯍꯣꯠꯈꯤꯗꯣꯏꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯍꯧꯁꯤꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯂꯣꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯈꯔ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯐꯩꯌꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯆꯥꯟꯁꯁꯦꯀꯣ. ꯑꯩꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯤꯁꯦ ꯍꯧꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯇꯤꯀꯦꯠꯁꯦ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯀꯛꯑꯒ ꯀꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯍꯧꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯐꯥꯎꯕꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯟꯁꯁꯦ ꯍꯦꯟꯒꯠꯀꯦꯁꯦ, ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯑꯪꯀꯁꯦ ꯑꯩ ꯍꯣꯠꯊꯒꯦ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯁꯦ, ꯒ꯭ꯌꯥꯟ ꯇꯥꯔꯦꯅꯦꯀꯣ. ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯑꯃꯦꯔꯤꯀꯥꯗꯤ ꯍꯧꯁꯤ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯗꯕꯅꯤ나 ꯑꯃꯦꯔꯤꯀꯥꯗ ꯑꯣꯏꯇꯥꯔꯗꯤ ꯃꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯑꯒ ꯍꯣꯠꯈ꯭ꯔꯅꯤ ꯅꯍꯥꯟꯗꯀꯣ. ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯃꯦꯔꯤꯀꯥꯗꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯈꯟꯕꯗ ꯍꯧꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯔꯝꯗꯧ ꯃꯥꯟꯗꯦꯕ. ꯑꯗꯨꯅ it is still open for grabs, you know. So ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯝꯇ ꯍꯣꯠꯀꯦ ꯑꯪꯀꯁꯦ. ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯤꯅꯦꯀꯣ, ꯍꯧꯁꯤ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯀꯣ ꯐꯥꯎꯍꯜꯂꯣꯏꯒꯤꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯦꯕ, ꯈꯪꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ? ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯅꯀꯣ so ꯑꯗꯨꯅ we need to like videograph these things. Okay, ꯁꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ, ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯧꯁꯤ ꯑꯣꯠꯅꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯀꯣ, ꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯣꯠꯅꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯦꯕꯀꯣ. ꯑꯗꯩ ꯅꯪꯒꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯕꯀꯤ ꯇꯤꯀꯦꯠ ꯑꯂꯦꯝꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯣ ꯅꯣꯏ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯕꯀꯤ ꯚꯣꯂꯨꯟꯇꯤꯌꯔ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯄꯥꯏꯌꯦ ꯀꯣ. ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯒꯦꯅ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯃꯇꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯁꯤ ꯆꯥꯎꯔꯥꯛꯅ ꯁꯤ ꯅꯝꯕꯔꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯈꯪꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ, ꯁꯤꯗ ꯌꯥꯎꯕ ꯅꯝꯕꯔꯁꯤ ꯑꯝꯇ ꯂꯧꯊꯣꯛꯇꯕꯤꯗ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯌꯥꯎꯗꯕ ꯅꯝꯕꯔ ꯑꯃ ꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯃꯇꯪ ꯂꯧꯊꯣꯛꯈꯤꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯅꯦ, ꯈꯪꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ, ꯁꯤ ꯅꯝꯕꯔꯗ ꯌꯥꯎꯕ ꯇꯤꯀꯦꯠ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯁꯨꯡꯐꯥꯎ ꯐꯥꯎꯔꯣꯏꯕ. ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯅꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ MPSC ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯥꯝꯗ ꯁꯤꯒ ꯑꯐꯥꯎꯕꯒ ꯆꯣꯡ ꯆꯣꯡꯕ ꯀꯥꯡꯕꯨ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯃꯔꯛꯇ ꯁꯝꯅꯕ ꯌꯥꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯁꯦ, ꯈꯪꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ, ꯗꯥꯅ ꯄꯤꯈꯤꯕ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯥꯝꯄꯜꯗꯣ, ꯀꯔꯞꯁꯟ ꯇꯧꯔ ꯈꯟꯒꯗꯕ ꯀꯥꯡꯕꯨ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒ ꯂꯥꯏ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯖꯔ ꯈꯜꯂꯣꯏꯗꯕ ꯀꯥꯡꯕꯨ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒ ꯁꯝꯅꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯕꯩ ꯃꯔꯛꯇꯕꯀꯣ, ꯅꯝꯕꯔ ꯑꯃꯇꯪ ꯂꯧꯊꯣꯛꯈꯤꯕꯗ, ꯈꯪꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ, ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯁꯨꯡꯐꯥꯎ ꯐꯥꯎꯔꯣꯏꯕꯀꯣ. ꯁꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯐꯥꯎꯗ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯗꯗꯤꯅꯦ ꯅꯝꯕꯔꯗꯨ ꯂꯧꯊꯣꯛꯈꯤꯕꯗ ꯅꯝꯕꯔꯗꯨ ꯌꯥꯎꯗ꯭ꯔꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯐꯥꯎꯕꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯟꯁ ꯊꯤ ꯋꯥꯡꯉꯦꯕ, ꯒ꯭ꯌꯥꯟ ꯇꯥꯔꯦꯅꯀꯣ. ꯁꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯧꯁꯤ ꯑꯣꯠꯂꯤꯕ ꯃꯐꯝꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯣ, ꯈꯪꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ, ꯃꯨꯟꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯌꯦꯕꯀꯣ. ꯑꯗꯨꯅꯤ ꯗꯇꯥꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤꯡꯕꯗꯣ. ꯑꯗꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯍꯧꯁꯤꯗ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯤꯕ ꯅꯝꯕꯔꯁꯤ it's only 1 to 99ꯅꯦꯕ, ꯈꯪꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ. ꯁꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯈꯟꯕꯗ so 1 to 99ꯅꯦꯕ, ꯈꯪꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ. ꯑꯩꯅ ꯈꯟꯕꯗ 1 to 99 can be worked with, you know. ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯍꯧꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯇꯤꯀꯦꯠꯇ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯤꯕ ꯅꯝꯕꯔꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯗꯦꯕꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ. I think something is there. ꯑꯪꯀ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ, ꯈꯪꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ. ꯁꯣ ꯑꯝꯇ ꯍꯣꯠꯇ ꯌꯥꯔꯔꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯑꯪꯀꯁꯦ. Okay. Okay. ꯀꯣ ꯀꯣꯏꯁꯟ ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯤꯜꯂꯒꯦꯀꯣ. Yeah, one only, two only. She highlight. So tuna, which of the following statements regarding the Green Climate Fund is all correct? A the one only, B the two only, C the one and two only, D one and two only. So, what do you say about this? Which of the following statements regarding Green Climate Fund is correct? See, 2013 year, 14 year, 15 year, it is intended to assist the developing countries in adaptation and maintenance. It is founded under the aegis of. Really? Is it founded under the aegis of UN? No way, it is not founded. ASEAN Development World Bank. OECS, I think it is A only. Is it correct? Is it A only? Hey, ma'am, hey. I you can't go, but I know Green Climate Fund I don't know. See this one. And UNEP, they don't have any money to establish any fund. They are the kind of the information resource people. But World Bank, it can be there. But ASEAN Development Bank, it's not related with environment. Okay, so I think to do is obviously wrong. So it is, yeah, this one is correct. Okay, so so this one is correct. So it is good, right? So na ngasi khoi na taw do ma'am si thigat lo aduga dana UPSC standard question semakani ko. So yeah, good job guys. So senior khoi lai je ko so je khoi na current affairs horse ko khoi current affairs kai na how this khoi na hai earth hadi land adai de khoi na water and atmosphere hai atmosphere hai. So let's start with the atmosphere. Atmosphere is the lai ba ya ba ngasai environmental issues in the cake. You can type it or you can say it with your mic open, okay? So that is our current affairs class today. And so many current affairs also coming for atmosphere di matang dako. So noisy kalam hainal toman ayun hajar. Yeah, hadi okay. Yeah. Question amataga. Question amata hai je hujigi question do amka hanbiro hairo. Hadi hoina hoyi kano sida atmosphere sida nangi land natawa sea water natawa hek nangi mathak se lai sida thokpa yaba environment ki issues sing je kai kai na. Koi ngasa ichan na ozone palakre, that is very right. Pollutions. Ataydi dasim hai birage greenhouse gases emission. Ataydi pekelem no mali sum khalone. Heat wave can be an issue, or say akoina urban heat pocket sai tare. Ataydi khalone atmosphere sida akoina kari kai laibe again. So please think about it. Yes. Ado pollution da chinga kani ko haidi smoke or nasagi acid rain ko they can come into pollution, okay, because of the pollutants kuyi nasagi rain natraga fog kai ka da lakpo po ni ko atedi kai lagi kalone aduna environment ye kamba ko nyam complex yo mal yam da ni ko perhaps sinaloy yan ta na ko ozone ko aduga pollutions the greenhouse gases emissions and nasagi ko na ano thing na ko na heat wave kai ka do ko so sis ana ya sidai hen na len tar ga jo hapsil expert but general ko na khangbe di ko na atmosphere da thoiba environmental issues ma'am the scene so duna kadore environmental issues to omnina ko na current affairs ju ko environmental issues se ko na khange ko na atmosphere thoiba environmental issues it is related with these things ozone pollution aduga greenhouse gas emission, heat wave, urban heat pocket sigumba ko even sibo da koina atmosphere gi kana phenomenon da chingan doine ko but si koina higher se ko so doi targeti atmosphere gi environmental issues ta sigi issues mem je thopani na doi targeti all the current affairs regarding the atmosphere environment gi atmosphere gi current affairs ame hai matam jida it will have to do with these things sidai showing hello because adu du neba ana nana current affairs park matam da khabar da magazine da na chaga nangi YouTube da current affairs da whatever tor matam da oh city environment kind of atmosphere gi ni na khallo ko adu kyan da ko number 1 so na city current affairs kai kai lai so na dana sai si September daina kano bo browse to ne ko September daina kano October book September 1 daina October 16 book la 16 book browse to ne ko asai gi hoina United Nation Environment Program gi asai gi UNEP gi website ki kano da news and daily events ta ko si anoi pa da si hoi power hai ta na if you have time if you are interested you can read it okay but usually most of the articles there are useless but if it is going to be any meaningful to you guys then you should have an eye for this exam is the kai important bi kai hang pi kai na ko so na aduna ne environment ki class tak matam da yang kuin kun changi hai so I have to read date 1 dina date October ki date 16 bo from morning ko aduga classroom da almaina ko adu ma'am du dai amu article ma'am par matung da sidi kemte yaudre hadi kemte kana ba yaude issue ji relevant oide khot pe na te na ma oye ko adena to ji kaino si par ko ma'am ji da oh si na atmosphere gi sini leire adedi biodiversity gi land gi si leire hayeng land tong ne ko adedi kon ocean gi si leire si thaji da ma'am yawe article ko aduga finance ki article am yawi ko like finance article ngasai pa probably I should have started with that one but probably I will do it tomorrow es chalo chalo ko nothing will happen chalo ko kem tore chalo chalo si pochika as no idea ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯐꯥꯗꯔꯗꯣ ꯈꯔ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯁꯦ ꯈꯔ ꯃꯊꯥ ꯁꯥꯕꯅꯦ ꯃꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯄꯩꯁꯥ ꯄꯨꯈ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯃꯤꯅ ꯁꯤꯡꯕꯤꯔꯛꯇꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯊꯥ ꯁꯥꯕꯅꯦ ꯃꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯇꯦꯟꯁꯟ ꯍꯥꯏꯒꯠꯄ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯝꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯉꯥꯏꯈꯣꯀꯣ ꯗꯥ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯝ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯤꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯗꯕ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯑꯃꯅꯤꯗ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯤꯁꯤ ꯅꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯝꯗ꯭ꯔꯦꯅꯦ ꯑꯩꯅꯗꯤ ꯍꯥꯞꯈꯤꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯈꯪꯕꯅꯦ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯀꯦꯠꯇ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯝꯗ꯭ꯔꯦꯀꯣ so that I'm going to share it with you some guys okay yeah ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯝꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ say for example ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯌꯨꯝꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯉꯩꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯩꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯨꯝꯒꯤ ꯃꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯕꯤ ꯄꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇ꯭ꯔꯣꯛ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯍꯥꯔꯠ ꯑꯦꯇꯦꯛ ꯇꯧꯒꯦꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯛ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯩꯀꯩ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯀꯣꯁꯟ ꯂꯧꯈꯠꯄ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯍꯣꯁꯄꯤꯇꯥꯜ ꯌꯧꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯉꯩꯗꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯞ 3 4 ꯃꯔꯤ ꯄꯜꯂꯦꯕꯀꯣ CPR ꯀꯩꯀꯥꯗꯣ ꯄꯜꯂꯦꯕꯀꯣ adu natabida akhina tawya pot khale ko aspirin gi tablet che ko da puji pudi law no ko this is not the advice I'm giving you, okay, but I have to confirm it, okay. I jo ko yung gi taw gen to ine ko I think I have forwarded to my father. So aspirin gi tablet se sabi yai adai di amaga leibine akhina yum da thamjan ba ko something asaina akhina emergency to matam da hadi adu tuna asai gi nangi survivability gi chang hadi hospital yor kanda survivability gi chang do hengat la le ha ko or asai gi worst condition oi da to ka adu ma aspirin ama leibne adai di kanong leibne step ahum ne ko this two we can do immediately, and aduga we have to like take the patient to the hospital as soon as possible, okay. Adu da udaharan thiriga share tawake ko adu kogi kenoda akogi especially akogi parents sing they are prone to it idea mogi generation sing si ju am no ai ta pot am ni kaina matam sida yeah, something like this, so betrayed plus discipline, something like this. Yeah, but let me confirm it with that article. It was written by a doctor, so it is very valid, and you can even ask your Canada family doctor ko si shine si article ji ya khotpra ko, so don't believe blindly also ko. So aduga dana yeng e ko kai gino say for example why this akhoi parents generation sing na akhoi generation na muk stress anxiety adagi unhealthy lifestyle ke ka oibe ji oigal lebo ko, but akhoi parents generation dadi yeah, stress anxiety ke ga yaw tar ga ju yum yengo matam da kam haidi ngasai scientific know how ji kya yarum de ko research ke ka ji ko because internet le de, and manipur da 1960s 70s hai ji it's like it's nothing comparing to the development we are getting now, the scientific research and studies we are assessing now. So duna kedogen ha man tamsida thum thau lifestyle ke ka thum thau chaw khot pa jam chai ko thaina koina char ma tum do unrefined oiba ade unsaturated fat yam yaw ba adum oi ko aduga for example khoi ma hoina bp lay en haije khoi yam ngai ko yes number 1 thum ya em moi ko jang khuding thum ya number 2 da ama lay khoi adu khoi matam do khang pa hadi hundok pa moi lem do na pung cha da chasan ma mayam khomjela chasan ma yawe khoi thaina khoi joint family da lay ngai da ko. So I think that khoi ma hoi ji sa cha pote sa cha da ji when I asked my mom, she says that luhong ba matung da khoi de la matung da cha gi dre so duna hai cholesterol ke kai pom ji lebam thok te ba sing mai ta ga khoi ma ji just nga da ne cha ji ko hadi yen chicken ke ga jam cha gi dre ko hadi adu masan cha sa da ne ko so adu cholesterol pom ji lebam thok te so adu kamai na bp le inon yeng matam ji da ngasai gi thau am le re adai khang do hadi ignorant over, but akhoi matam je di research ma'am ji layer ni na hadi we don't have any excuse, and if you have a bp problem or something like that, either you are having anxiety or stress ko and you're having an unhealthy lifestyle, okay, so it is on you. So and just anxiety or target yeah, you have to like deal with it, okay. So my so yeah, so do Nicole is so now take care of your parents, don't take care of them, like literally take care of them. See how what are they eating, what are they doing, my lifestyle kind over can die yeah you time we talk but you don't need to wait for for my age to start doing all those things. You can do it right now and then change their life for the better, right? So do na ako'y my breakfast ako'y my chana tan to walan de ako'y bacay jo ko'y hore ko ako'y bacay di ako'y father je ko hore. So for example ayugta sanggom glass ama madi bp diabetic blood am lay ko magi heart kita polak padagi defect ama lay na di hay hadi an may na ka aduna tabdi am lay so na madi diet je dum pan sabi ay ko manchari si ayun ta oats sanggom adagidi walnut adagidi asida aina lay almond ka adu ma'am chai lafoi gra happy kismis kitang ahumari happy ka yam tumani na ka amain tor breakfast chai adagi akhona cha thakpa ji panai tumba ko panai walking chatlo hai ai thabak yam kanna subata akhoi chonde kaina da thabak subuji akhoi mi ma'am na walking kan exercise ka manai hai ba no nothing like that, okay. Exercise have jiga asai thabak kanna subuji ga yam ti khenai ko na thabak subum or exercise ko na toksan ta ga di thabak subu intensity ki mong toksan ta ga di exercise to ngai ta mi to re have to ka hadi heart stroke to ko le have to ka so do aduga covid na gi ma'am na tra covid na ro ma'am sima kitang check silo kaina da exercise am kan toksil na chances are that ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯔꯠꯇ ꯅꯪꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯣꯠ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯕꯒꯤ ꯐꯦꯛꯇꯔꯁ ꯈꯔ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯝꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯀꯩꯁꯨ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯄꯨꯗꯤ ꯈꯪꯗ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯔꯁꯥꯏꯁ ꯇꯧꯁꯤꯟꯂꯨꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯐꯨꯟꯈꯤꯕ ꯈꯣꯠꯈꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯌꯥꯎꯕ ꯌꯥꯏꯑꯕꯀꯣ ꯁꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯣ ꯁꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯁꯨ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯔꯁꯥꯏꯁꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯟꯅꯗꯤ 20-30 ꯀꯤꯂꯣꯃꯤꯇꯔ ꯊꯧꯔꯝꯃꯤꯅꯦꯕ ꯁꯥꯏꯀꯜꯁꯦ ꯈꯪꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯇꯤ 10-15 ꯀꯤꯂꯣꯃꯤꯇꯔꯗꯅꯦꯕ ꯊꯧꯔꯤꯁꯦꯀꯣ ꯋꯥꯁꯨ ꯋꯥꯏ ꯉꯝꯁꯨ ꯉꯝꯗꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯀꯣꯚꯤꯗ ꯅꯥꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯏꯝꯄꯦꯛꯇꯤ ꯐꯅꯗꯤ ꯂꯩꯕꯖꯥꯠꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏ so ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯣ but so hꯧꯕꯗꯤ ꯍꯧꯈ꯭ರೆ we have to like look forward right and if after all your care if you die then die okay nicely okay without fear or without being a coward you die okay so anyway so yeah it's in you for the right BP stroke so many intervention dum yani so do so na yeah so aina sigi kanada parappa matamsida kedoge ha matamsida atmosphere gi articles lokfe amam paraga kanaba adagidi land gi hayeng ta ani biodiversity ka adagidi water gi hayeng ta ani ka water gi adu da mya ko so na ngasi tawdoi se koina atmosphere gi ne koina tawdoi se September daina koina October ba hojik lei ju ka so atmosphere gi da noju paramani September daina koina October bo yeng tamsida atmosphere gi da thokpa environmental current affairs ka number 1 da masagi koina ozone gi matangda masagi koina interview ma lawe ba hujigi ozone da Montreal protocol panariba United Nations gi or masagi protocol di kambu official amada ka ada dana khalu da pot ama hadi yarum bhai tare yam laiyo simple oiba article ni kaino ha matamsida the conversation was this current affairs ni ko coin tawriji ko it may not be like factual question period to the the conversation was very simple so Montreal protocol tawre ozone gi je koina hujik kha menjile so but akoina menjili si koida yajaraba penjaraba si hangye ko ada man ha yes akoina Montreal protocol is one of the most successful protocol ko one of the most successful protocol aduna ozone gi hole je akoina yam chong le am do koina menjile aduga yes chahi guding gi fluctuation le with the airflow and the ngasai environment the atmosphere dynamics matungina airflow like but most of them are doing it ko adumana haire ko adedi yeah by 2060-70 it will be like ngasai akoina completely akoina tawbang ngamani hana akoina khanba ngami haire ko so this everyone knows right next the higher proportion haije ko next huji akoina leiba pochina huji akoina leiba film jina akoina satisfied oiraba so na kaidoge na man hangi sineba ko Montreal protocol yariba asagi especially open ozone gida open destruction tawije kaina no chlorofluorocarbon hydrochlorofluorocarbon jineba ko sigina destruction tawne so na Montreal protocol haji kaina matam jida ozone depleting substances ma'am je my uses is thing mane ko so noi fresher yauba the basics kango do ma'am se ozone gi wari je sine ko so art ki layer da koina ozone have a problem like art atmosphere layer da I think it was in the stratosphere layer. I think I call it. So ozone is the kind of matam jida UVB, especially ultraviolet ray, ultraviolet spectrum. When sunlight yorpa spectrum jamana lock to easy never go. Mana lock to eduga. See the chupowi. Aduga see the chupomnina mana arti or pungamde. Arti or pungam jamina kedore mana sagi protective layer must same never. Nasigi ultraviolet is especially ultraviolet radiation which was a part of the sunlight radiation ko si je koina ozone layer da taragadi art yorkani aduga koina living organism and akoi da bo cataract cancer skin cancer ke thon ma je oye ko si ana ozone layer jina si thing ne ko my mechanism di sini ko ozone habagi se magi chemical composition de sine oxygen ohum na pulla sa ko so adui taragadi oxygen ohum na pulla sa do ne ko kamaina UVB je kamaina mana absorb to hai taragadi it is very simple mechanism sunlight chang ko matam jida ozone jida tha matam jida asai UVB gi energy do si ozone jina chupsel la kan da ozone je saina ani thokna kai yan tai na ko ozone je saina ani thokna kai O2 plus O1 so si kai bis the energy do chang ramina si energy si thadorok pudi si energy si da utilize to ramina si da yorok te ko so that is how ozone absorbs the ultraviolet the radiation that is incoming to the earth so dana sigi O3 ji thuai bada koina energy ultraviolet ki wavelength do changa sinnagamina thadorok matam de koina the UV do yorok te so that is why we said that ozone layer na koina ultraviolet ray absorb to in hai but situation is that ꯁꯤꯒꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯟꯁꯇꯦꯕꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯤꯒꯤꯁꯦ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯊꯨꯒꯥꯏꯕ ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯑꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯃꯇꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯈꯔꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯀ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤꯜꯂꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯣꯖꯣꯟ ꯁꯦꯝꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦꯕ ꯁꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯗꯤꯁ ꯀꯟꯇꯤꯅ꯭ꯌꯨꯁ ꯗꯤꯁ ꯑꯣꯟ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯀꯤꯞꯁ ꯑꯣꯟ ꯀꯟꯇꯤꯅ꯭ꯌꯨꯋꯤꯡ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯗ ꯑꯣꯖꯣꯟ ꯂꯦꯌꯔꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯗ ꯑꯣꯖꯣꯟ ꯂꯦꯌꯔꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯇꯦꯛꯇꯤꯞ ꯁꯤꯜ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯕꯠ ꯋꯤꯠ ꯗ ꯔꯥꯏꯁ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯣꯔꯣꯐ꯭ꯂꯣꯔꯣꯀꯥꯔꯕꯣꯟꯁꯀ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯍꯥꯏꯗ꯭ꯔꯣꯀ꯭ꯂꯣꯔꯣꯐ꯭ꯂꯣꯔꯣꯀꯥꯔꯕꯣꯟꯁ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯤꯕ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯣꯔꯣꯐ꯭ꯂꯣꯔꯣꯀꯥꯔꯕꯣꯟꯁ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯕ ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯑꯦꯠꯃꯣꯁꯐꯤꯌꯔꯗ ꯆꯠꯄꯁꯤꯗ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯕꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯕꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯀꯨꯏꯅꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯨꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯄ ꯑꯣꯛꯁꯤꯖꯦꯟꯁꯦ ꯈꯪꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯧꯁꯤꯜꯂꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯗ ꯑꯣꯛꯁꯤꯖꯦꯟꯒꯤ ꯀꯝꯄꯣꯅꯦꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯁꯦꯝꯕꯅꯦꯕ ꯁꯣ O2+O ꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤꯜꯂꯀꯥꯟꯗ O3 ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯛꯀꯗꯕꯁꯦ ꯈꯪꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ Oꯁꯦ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯀꯦꯃꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯗ ꯁꯤꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯀ꯭ꯂꯣ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯗꯣꯏꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯗ꯭ꯔꯣꯀꯥꯔꯕꯣꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯗꯣꯏꯔꯥ ꯌꯥ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ Oꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯂꯦꯝꯍꯧꯔꯤꯕ Oꯁꯦ ꯈꯪꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯕꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯣꯔꯣꯐ꯭ꯂꯣꯔꯣꯀꯥꯔꯕꯣꯟꯁꯇꯒꯤ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯄ ꯏꯂꯤꯃꯦꯟ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯨꯒ ꯐ꯭ꯌꯨꯁ ꯇꯧꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯣꯏꯊꯣꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯦꯕ ꯑꯣꯛꯁꯤꯖꯦꯟ ꯃꯇꯣꯝꯗ ꯀꯥꯞꯇꯥ ꯂꯩꯍꯧꯔꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯑꯣꯛꯁꯤꯖꯦꯟꯁꯤꯅꯗꯤ UV incomingꯗꯣ ꯉꯝꯗꯦꯕꯀꯣ so that is how the ozone hole started right so that is the whole mechanism of it okay so ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯗ 1987ꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯣꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯌꯜ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯇꯣꯀꯣꯜꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯣꯖꯣꯟ ꯗꯤꯄ꯭ꯂꯤꯇꯤꯡ ꯁꯕꯁꯇꯦꯟꯁ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯃꯛ ꯊꯤꯡꯉꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯏꯠ ꯋꯥꯁ ꯚꯦꯔꯤ ꯁꯛꯁꯦꯁꯐꯨꯜ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ 2015ꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯒꯥꯂꯤ ꯑꯦꯃꯦꯟꯃꯦꯟ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯑꯦꯒ꯭ꯔꯤꯃꯦꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯇꯧꯒꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯏꯚꯟ ꯁꯤꯗꯐꯥꯎꯗ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯒꯦꯅ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯃꯇꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯏꯃꯦꯠ ꯆꯦꯟꯖꯀꯤ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯗ꯭ꯔꯣꯐ꯭ꯂꯨꯔꯣꯀꯥꯔꯕꯣꯟꯁꯀꯣ which is nothing which is that much to do with ozone layerꯒꯀꯣ ꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯍꯥꯞꯆꯤꯜꯂꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗ꯭ꯔꯣꯐ꯭ꯂꯨꯔꯣꯀꯥꯔꯕꯣꯟꯁꯤꯀꯣ ꯁꯤꯅ ꯍꯣꯔꯦꯟ ꯑꯝꯇꯪ ꯆꯦꯛ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯏꯀꯣ that does it have anything to do with ozone layer but I think it has more to do with climate change so ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯣ so ꯈꯤꯇꯪ exception ꯑꯣꯏꯈꯤꯕꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯍꯥꯞꯆꯤꯜꯂꯦ but everyone ꯌꯥꯅꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯁꯨ ꯁꯤ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕꯗ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯌꯥꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯀꯟꯁꯦꯁꯟ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯐꯪꯒꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯂꯩꯌꯦ so ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯚꯤꯌꯨꯗꯨꯗ ꯁꯤ these are all normal things ꯅꯣꯏ ꯈꯪꯉꯝꯒꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯌꯥꯝꯕꯅꯀꯣ ꯅꯣꯔꯃꯦꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯅꯦꯕ ꯈꯪꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯁꯤꯒꯤꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯐꯥꯎꯁꯦ ꯑꯣꯖꯣꯟꯒꯤ ꯂꯦꯌꯔꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯣꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯌꯜ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯇꯣꯀꯣꯜ ꯀꯤꯒꯥꯂꯤ ꯑꯦꯒ꯭ꯔꯤꯃꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯀꯝꯄ꯭ꯂꯤꯠꯂꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯇꯦꯛꯇꯦꯠ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯁꯤ ꯀꯣꯏꯁꯟꯁꯤꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯪꯉꯤꯁꯤ ꯒ꯭ꯌꯥꯟ ꯇꯥꯔꯦꯅꯀꯣ ꯀꯩ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯝꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯃꯇꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯣꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯌꯜ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯇꯣꯀꯣꯜꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯒꯦꯅ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯃꯇꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯏꯃꯦꯠ ꯆꯦꯟꯖ ꯊꯣꯛꯍꯜꯂꯤꯕ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯤꯟ ꯍꯥꯎꯁ ꯒ꯭ꯌꯥꯁꯦꯁ ꯈꯔ ꯑꯣꯖꯣꯟꯁꯤꯗ ꯏꯝꯄꯦꯛ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯝꯃꯦꯕ ꯈꯪꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯗ ꯃꯣꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯌꯜ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯇꯣꯀꯣꯜꯗ ꯄꯨꯁꯟꯗꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯤꯟ ꯍꯥꯎꯁ ꯒ꯭ꯌꯥꯁꯀꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯁꯦ ꯊꯣꯛꯏꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯤꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯣꯖꯣꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯇꯥꯏꯅꯔꯛꯑꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯣꯖꯣꯟꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯁꯛꯁꯦꯁꯐꯨꯜꯂꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯏꯝꯄ꯭ꯂꯤꯃꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯝꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯃꯥꯏꯁ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯏꯌꯦꯅ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯚ꯭ꯌꯨꯗ ꯄꯤꯔꯛꯑꯦꯕ ꯁꯣ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯚ꯭ꯌꯨꯗꯨꯗ ꯄꯥꯔꯦ ꯐꯨꯜꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯀꯣꯏꯁꯟꯁꯦ UPSC ꯀꯣꯏꯁꯟ ꯐꯖꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯊꯣꯛꯑꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯀꯣꯏꯁꯟꯗꯣ ꯅꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯛꯎꯀꯣ ꯏꯕ ꯉꯝꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯨꯀꯣ which of the following greenhouse gases has the potential to deplete or to harm the ozone layer? A ದ carbon dioxide, B ದ C ದ nitrous oxide, D ದ sulfur. So kayong dumaan. What do you think? Okay. ꯑꯟꯁꯔꯁꯤ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏ ꯐꯥꯎ ꯑꯟꯁꯔꯗꯣ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯃꯔꯛꯇ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯀꯥꯟꯈꯤꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ Yeah, according to that interview, I think you can trust that interview. Okay, expert me. And the answer is nitrous oxide. Okay, so N2O C ngasai akoina ozone harmful oiba natraga akoina ozone depleting oiba akoina kanona kanona gases ni na ngasai akoina khangba hore ba. But since that is not in the Montreal Protocol na ozone gi akoina toriba pot ma'am je akoina ngasai akoina kanaroi na ngasai gi interview da yawe ba. So that is the C question je same the way that aina di widely do kamna. So I think this is UPSC question. This is new information, and students usually do not know. And this type of things will not be there in your newspaper or your articles. Okay, but when UPSC na di wide range parak panina, ado di questions yung ma'am do yam na well known or nina ko. You can expect this type of questions. Okay, so so this is one article which I want to say. Okay, so the article okay da. So when RT atmosphere is lower, atmosphere is lower, atmosphere is lower, could man going to lazy. I do not know the mechanism. Probably SO2 will not be going up to that distance where ozone is there, or they may not have any reactive component with the oxygen left out of oxygen from the ozone mechanism do the so ozone layer harm to nyai targadi ngasai gi O3 dagi khoina UV light na thar matungda O2 plus O tholakpada adugi O do khoina amuka punjalaga na O3 oidringai da khoina lauthoraba adoi tai nang you are harming the ozone layer. So na adui gases ma'am ji gi marak to da. Yeah, you can send me the articles. Okay, there is no problem with it. Okay, yeah, you send me the articles. So na dagi su ujiki article to the based or some question ni it may be wrong, but yeah, I leave it kind of in an open way. Okay, so you send me the article where SO2 is also harming the ozone. Then we will see if that article is like just a just a speculation, or it is really done by the authority like United Nations or something like that. Okay, so hꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯗꯣꯏꯁꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ earth ꯁꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ, land ꯂꯩꯔꯦ, water ꯂꯩꯔꯦ, and atmosphere. So atmosphere ꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ environment ꯀꯤ issues ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯌꯥꯔꯤꯁꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ number 1 ꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ pollutants, number 2 ꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ greenhouse gases ꯀꯣ ꯁꯤꯒꯤꯁꯦ ꯀꯣ. So air pollutants ꯗꯤ there are so many ꯀꯣ. ꯀꯥꯏꯗꯩ ꯍꯧꯔꯦ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ozone ꯀꯣ, ꯑꯗꯩꯗꯤ black carbon, adagidi aerosols, and even some of the aerosols are naturally producing. So man-made natawida naturally producing over pollutants for your naturally producing some. Adagidi akoina kay lai akoina basically air pollutants da akoina classical oina lawnariba si kay keno hai matamsida particulate matter like PM 2.5 and particulate matter 10. Next, akoina kaino ozone ka sida jawre. Next, akoina kaino nitrogen oxide. Nitrous oxide ka nitrogen oxide kene ko. Nitrous oxide is N2O. Nitrogen oxide is NO2. Okay, this one is nitrogen oxide. Adi akoina sulfur dioxide ko SO2. Aduga akoina carbon monoxide ko. These are the classical the air pollutants. So akoina atmosphere is the phangba environmental issues khara hayagadi air pollutants, greenhouse gases emissions ko. So duga next air pollutants ma'am ji laiba ayamba kai oire ha matam si joy classical akoina air pollutants classical hai ji kaino asai akoina air quality index natra akoina World Health Organization na piba asai akoina air pollutants ma'am 2005 ta pigiba air pollutants ma'am do si oi hi ko. Aduga greenhouse gases emission adi kaino akoina carbon dioxide ko, adagidi methane, basics ni si ko nitrous oxide, aduga chlorofluorocarbons. These are the greenhouse gases emission. So atmosphere environmental issues only this one. So they target current affairs mangta hai only restricted to this one. So any articles on atmosphere environment related with atmosphere, the current affairs is basis on this one. So akhoi na huji ama tawkre ozone gi tawkre ka ozone gi article lam de akhoi na kana da higher kan even question number same kre ka next akhoi taw do je sigi poche. So classical loiba air pollutants hai si thugai. By the way, do you know why particulate matter, especially 2.5, is very dangerous? Anyone have any idea? So
the direct changbangam me hybrid high lungs.
Yes. So like they can enter into your lungs and they can harm the lungs. Okay, and even especially like PM 2.5 kumbas di kadogen hai matam sida lungs te yung thola kanda blood vessels te yaw kanda heart yaw kanda asagi koina kano da akoina heart attack natraga akoina heart disease natraga akoina stroke ka to da yam mateng pang ko so na PM 2.5 is PM especially PM quality very attention. So do ne I delete the soil learning de wasing bahai ta it's like a slow coffin aduga world de yemune air 99% of the world population are living in the air air pollutant zone one way or the another yan ko aduga next 7 million of the deaths premature deaths every year are caused by air pollutants ana delili learning unu yan ko yeah we wish that it is clear and we wish that all the other facilities also are available elsewhere but Delhi da so learning de hade ai hoi lai paw khot pai di kesu kai de ko leiba hade but Delhi da ina settle do ge ga di aina sugan galoi da pone free da ai nang flat pi ge la o ha no nang adum le jero ai lei because Delhi gi air air pollution especially PM am tin dangerous way ko so na hade you are cutting down your life that much okay and you should not be there. Okay, so no delete this. Ino mayam yori do. Jina tarawa dana hai jino kondo ning sa ngang izika. So like don't be there. Okay, so now Delhi police ki thawak hawa adi just because of the pollution. I really do not want to do it. But yeah, service ki mingda duty ki mingda sa tayade hai tardi. Yes, obviously I will be there. I don't care. But if I have a choice as a free man, so I will not be there. So duna see the when article current affairs ama thole eba ko current affairs kaino ha matam so many articles about this one. Okay, the article is this sina lawyer ko ngasi gi oina di hayang we are continuing the continue. So duna da current affairs ta khadi ko no ai ba kham right what is you khang in big picture ju khang e adi pa ju pa ni ko adum edit ju ye kham adi tap tai tak tu ni kham adi kano da adi kano energy load ju tak tu o ye kham so adun da current affairs am tak ninjis. So anyway adi international ko handaki September 2022 da International Day of Clean Air for blue sky na so International Day of Clean Air. So we have International Day of everything. Today is International Day of Sloth. Okay, one of my favorite and so International Day of Clean Air for blue skies my team the year we share see the air pollutants change because of so many evidence and scientific upgrade so what is happening here? So ahambada classical air pollutants particulate matter particulate matter ozone nitrogen oxide sulfur dioxide carbon monoxide see classical classical every country air quality index board the so World Health Organization 2005 when established yes air quality air pollutants sida olona so hojikti ke dora matamsida World Health Organization air pollutants magi list upgrade apart from this classical apart they have introduced like 4 new pollutants which are study mechanism device but so in the long run it is going to be there so basics particulate matter biggest source ozone is the biggest source NO2 is the biggest source SO2 is the biggest source CO is the biggest source how are they harmful to human being and environment? How are they harmful to human? For example, ozone is very harmful to human being and environment. the environment, biodiversity, productivity no handle level. So these are the basics you have to read. I don't need to teach you this, okay? So hujiksi akoina anobo list da kay hapsilage ha matamsida BC and EC hapsilage ko. BC is na kaino si di hande dum khange ko akoina black carbon. So you have to read about black carbon. Black carbon ji kaino magi source kaino, how is it harmful to human and environment. Adu EC is na kaino elemental carbon. Adagidi next UFP ka UFP ka ultra fine particles. Aduga next SDS ka sandstorm ka sandstorm si koina huna kasagi si kanada 2005 tagi update tawudawa update list to the air pollutants da si ahumje sigi mari hapsel ebo ko so na it's your duty apai khadi am line ha pe hu na hapselak pa pollutants so kena and these are the no si mams dagi or you can say this or pe khada kamai lu na kani matam jida si source mams kai no aduga si harmful effect mams kai on the human and environment you have to search this one and don't let me do this, okay? See I know weda ka oide ko. So, what I'm trying to do is that I'm just trying to update you the current affairs like this happens, okay? So this is it, okay? So na hujik se si ma'am je na air quality index ma mi tara dra haita de no taro ko. Kaino de who's na sigi poche lai re have ne ko. The country na upgrade tong ta they have to upgrade their mechanism, they have to upgrade their devices, they have to upgrade their data low in order to make this one. So in India ko mo de si sidang classical sidang oine ko. But who na di si ma'am ju hapsil law and recommend to and see ma'am kai no kai di tholo na have na khang na no ina thoko. So that is how we prepare current affairs, okay? So na hayeng akoina to be continue tong ni akoina hayeng to be continue to do is that articles jamo lady articles kai lady ga matam sida ozone yaukre si article ma hoji pakre adagi di greenhouse gas emission article am lady ko number 1 da aduga number 2 da si ga mai laina ba asagi akoina report khar lai ko which are like Canada, say you could form report. Say for example, emissions gap report. Kanan putui emissions gap. It is related with greenhouse gas emission. Kanan putui United Nations Environment Program. Adagi amagalay ni dana ka. Say for example, kada hang paya mga tani ko sa. Oh, lawar. So na ako na hayang continue to ni ka. Ana hayang atmosphere September October sa level atmosphere article important over current affairs ako ni discuss to ni aduga hayang ako na class holding ay discuss to with si finance matang na discuss to ni ka ang i-continuation na ita. So finance matang na husi am na tinan nuhay ka. So how is the global finance going on? Ka yan ti kanom hayang give ka hayang di advertise to give ka. It's like this. Environmental friendly oy dawa. Investments annually kambra. Much more in the tune of 385 billion to 400 billions comparing to environmental friendly or green finance investment paisa yeng na ta koi challenge se kan how to decrease this one, how to increase this one. So si matang da pina finance matang da we are going to do a lot about it, okay? So anyway, thanks for the class, okay? So na horopai ni ako na basics hai bai tan chapani basics to khang matung da di we can fly, okay? So have patience and give effort and keep working hard, okay? Anyway, good night. Thanks for the class.